Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. Well, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer and I shot this image for a long time ago, based image. And actually this image I made the other day. I'm gonna explain to you these layers and change blend mode and stuff. Well, this is my subject today. I'm going to change these layer mode or masks. These images change to express another image. That's what I want to try today. Okay, we have now though, I have this pencil drawing type image, which is I'm going to change back to normal. Then I'm going to take this mask off. Okay, this is a pencil drawing type image I made by Adobe Photoshop. Base image is, this is the base image, original shot. On the way to Arizona, I shot a long time ago and I made this pencil drawing type, as I said, Adobe Photoshop. Okay, now I changed the blend mode, normal to darken, then make mask. Then I shot this base image, right? Then I made duplicate to make this smudged image. Here, you see these signs and stuff. I made smudged image. Then I change this pencil drawing type image over this, so we can see through this dark image and also the base image. Now I add color. This is change pin light for this colored image. This is the one. Well, I made the mask, use this color change, add colors and stuff, this foreground also. Then I add also the color, which is this trees green, mountains green stuff. Okay. Then I add mask. This is the last thing to do. Okay, I'm going to take this mask off now. We see this image, foreground color, and add color on the trees and stuff. Then this pin light effect. This is the color I painted on, foreground and sky. Okay. Actually, this pin light effect bring back to normal. Then let's see, turn off the image, the base image. Then you see these sort of light colors, but I changed the blend mode pin light the last time. Okay, now let's find some different image. First of all, I want to change this pencil drawing type image just to darken, blend mode to overlay, then opacity down about 60, soft light, hard light. Well, this is pin light again. Well, I used the mask, so I'm gonna take this mask off too. Now we only see pencil drawing type image, change blend mode. Now it's hard mix difference. Well, let's go down 50% opacity, then exclusion, subtract. This is much more contrast effective, Opacity 0, none. so we see the base image. Then this pencil drawing type, go up the opacity about 20%, 30%, 35%. Well, this is interesting. Even though it's a daytime shot, but when you use this opacity blend mode, go up to 30%, go to dark night image. Blend mode is subtract. Well, I want to try this. I want to change to maybe this much. Well, this is pretty impressive. All the other layers mode is just leave it, no change. Then I want to try, that's interesting. I want to make this sign to be more pop-up. So maybe I'm gonna add color. Let's see. This layer is color blend mode. So I painted green, which shows more, and also red on these poles. Okay, I'm gonna take this layer mask, just delete. Then this is sort of night image, so I'm gonna add layer in between layer 4 and 5. Then let's see, painting to untitled brush. Let's see, pick some color, red. What's gonna happen if I paint it on here? Well, then let's see, change blend mode, but more effective overlay. Not much difference. Overlay or color. Add. Well, let's see this brush. Luminance to light brush. Then paint it on. Same red. Oh, what's this? Oh, I just painted on. Same color. Group luminance to light brush. Paint it on same sign. Then change. Add to lighten. Light burn. Vivid. Brush effect as well. Yeah, that's okay. This is one of the image. And also I may this is interesting flex. Let's see. I want some kind of, again, yeah, layer of course goes to white. That's too much. No, this is still too big. So I don't want to use this way. Clear to erase inside. About this much. Yeah, okay. Then let's see. I only pop-up sign. This is the one of the image. I wanna change some about this. Kinda linear light is harsh. Pin light is settle. Opacity down to 80. More dark image. Well, just keep it. One of the idea. Okay. Now this is just one idea. I want to change this. Now this is subtract. I kind of like luminosity, the lightness of this image, just leave it bar that way. Or I can take off anytime. So just leave it this way, and I just want to see this image. Let's see, pencil drawing type image, luminosity, right? And I'm gonna go up. Now it's kind of light image, huh? Goes more illustration type image. Just leave it base image. Then let's see if I can change something. Maybe this is kind of interesting. This is, well, just delete this mask now, and I have this. This is smudged image, and real base image is this. Let's see. Smudged image off, then normal image max shows, because of this pencil drawing type image, luminosity now 40%. Maybe that's why it shows this kind of color, huh? So in that case, I'm going to turn this one off and turn on. It's same color wise, yes. Okay, even though dark or darken or multiply doesn't make any difference. Right, this is this pencil drawing type image layer mode. Effect 40%, 50% now to make this kind of light image. So in this case, well, this is interesting. I kind of like this kind of color. So I'm gonna, well, let's see. Yeah, I kind of like this. Let's see if I can do something different from this. How about move the layer, this sky color, just move this one up to top. Now is there anything difference? Not much. Now I will see, how about make more darker pencil drawing type image. This one doesn't have color much, so well, why don't I duplicate this layer? This one doesn't have any mask or anything, so I'm going to duplicate. Then one is, just turn it off one, and one is luminosity or about 40%. Now get this color, then this one turn on, then make it darken or multiply, shows more black lines, sharper. And this one doesn't have any color but black lines, pencil drawing type lines. But this pencil drawing type image has black dot and stuff, so that's what I don't like. Let's see if I change this. Well, this is it. That's fine. How about top part? Top of this, maybe sharper look. Okay, how about if I show this image, but it's don't need this, huh? Yeah, this is fine here, look like. Let's see, change this layer mode. Color burn, about 50, looks sharper. About here, okay. Now I'm gonna move this layer just now. Just add some colors to be more sharper, contrast. Okay, I use this layer, so I'm gonna delete. I'm not gonna use that. Then this is base image. This one is color burned, 50%, touch darker contrast. Then this one is color now. Yeah, yes, that's fine. Yeah, this painted layer effect more. I want this to be, maybe I want this color to be effect. This is so much effective now. Now I want this layer to be effective on this image. This is a real light image. Okay, I want top part. Sky's gonna be, let's see about this, 40% on this real light image here, but darker to top. So I'm gonna make mask, then I'm gonna hide from top, so make a gradation myself. How's this now? Real dark on top. Okay, now just crop. Yeah, I guess that's it. Well, is this something? Not much big difference, just normal, right? Then let's see, this one is effective color, color for tree. This one is color burn. This is a just mask. Well, is that it? Well, sort of color-wise, some kind of illustration image, lighter color. And well, this is the second image I made from last time I worked on. So changing this layer mode and move the layer around bottom to up or something like that to get something different image. Well, I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And that's it for today. I really appreciate for you guys support, and well, guys, have a nice day and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.